Hello, little learners. Welcome to our writing adventure. Today, we are going to learn how to write the uppercase alphabet, one letter at a time. Grab your paper and pencil, or use the air to trace with your finger. Are you ready? Let's go. A is for alligator. Let's write the letter A. Start at the top. Slant down to the left, slant down to the right, then cross in the middle. Great job! B is for basketball. Let's write the letter B. Start at the top. Go straight down, then make one big bump and another big bump. That's the letter B. C is for cat. Let's write the letter C. Start at the top and make a big curve to the left, just like a rainbow. D is for dog. Let's write the letter D. Draw a straight line down, then make a big curve from top to bottom. Letter E. Start at the top and go straight down. Now add one line at the top, one in the middle, and one at the bottom. That's E for elephant. F is for fish. Make a straight line down, then add one little line at the top and one in the middle. Fantastic F. G is for girl. Make a big curve like a C, then add a small line across to the right. G is great. H is for horse. Make two tall lines, then connect them in the middle. High five for H. I for ice cream. One straight line down, a tiny hat on top, and a tiny shoe at the bottom. Now you've got I. J for jacket. Start at the top, go straight down, and make a little curve at the bottom. Add a hat on top, and there's J. K for kite. Make a straight line down, then make a slant out and a slant in. K is kicking. Letter L. Straight down, then slide to the right. That's an L for lion. M for money. Start at the top, go straight down, then slant up, and straight down again. Marvelous M. N for nose. Straight down, then slant down to the right and straight up again. Nice job. O for orange. Make a big circle, just like a donut. That's O. P for pajamas. Go straight down, then add a big bump on top. Perfect P. Q for queen. Make a big O, then add a tiny diagonal tail at the bottom. Quick Q. R for robot. Start with a straight line down, then a big bump on top, and a slant down to the right. Rocking R. S for sun. Start at the top and make a curvy snake shape. Super S. Draw a straight line down, then add a hat on top. T for tiger. U for umbrella. Start at the top, go down, curve up, and straight up again. U is unique. V for vase. Slant down to the middle, then slant back up. V for victory. W for wagon. Slant down, up, wow. What a wiggly W. X for X-ray. Slant one line down, then crisscross with another line. X for X-ray. Y for yo-yo. Make a slant down to the middle, slant up to make a V, then make a short straight line down. Z for zebra. Slide across the top, slant down, and slide across the bottom. Keep practicing, and soon you'll be writing like a pro. Don't forget to subscribe for more fun learning videos.